I finally got my Commodore 64 back. Turned on. There you go. Today, we're going to load Planet X-2. Sorry about that.
Andrew, when you're finished with that, could you tell me your price on the part number? Yeah.
Don't mind my coworkers. Of course, I can't make a video over Make Me Live. But, yeah. Can't wait to find a tape player to play this thing. Alright, so we're ready. So it's loading. I would have sound, but I don't have any way to plug it in yet. There we go. There's difficulty to easy, and we're gonna go to 3 on. That's pretty good. Yeah, they're all talking about Star Wars over here. Don't mind them.
Hey Harrison, have you seen Clown This? Clown This.
There we go. Map is loaded. And it doesn't need a disc anymore, theoretically, so I can go ahead and do this. And I like how you can do the W, S, and the AD keys. It's kind of some good complexities. The keys do work, so if you want to build something, you have these keys here. You can do anything yourself. But the problem is, on the Vice Simulator, it uses the run key as the escape key, so I'm not used to that. So I had to press run exit. It goes to red, so you're not sure you want to do it. You press yes. It's game over at that time. That's pretty cool, though. Can't wait to try it further.